Hello and welcome to today's tutorial video on how to use the sounds from a website to Train Simulator Classic. So there are two tips on how to get some sounds into your Train Simulator Classic. So, two websites, Armstrong Powerhouse and SamT's website. I will leave a link in the description below on the websites, and I hope you websites you can easily go to. There is one called Armstrong Powerhouse, where you can easily get, I'd say, a few thing packs out of, but you need to pay a fiver for one of the sound packs. You just get the website on. Once you're at it, why don't you click the subscribe button, which will be under this video. Right. So you'll want to go to sounds, you'll want to click multiple unit, and it shows up with this one, which is the Class 390 sound pack. So you're wanting to buy that, but obviously I've already got it. So if you go to here, it'll show up on your cart, but I think you'll need to create an account first. So if you haven't got an account with Armstrong Powerhouse, I'd say create an account. So obviously I've already got an account, and once when it shows up, now, so if I go back to the sound pack, it should show under your own nest. So once when you buy the sound pack, it'll immediately go to your download. So go to your profile, which would be under your name, go to downloads, and then you should see all these VLCs, which you won't have, but I've got all of these. And then you should see Class 390 sound pack right here. And there's another one on a different website which I will show you for now. This is a SamT for Train Simulator. So this is one of his websites. Shout out to SamT, by the way, to be honest. So yes, I'll do a part 2 later on. So I'll do a second part later on. So once when you get to here, you want to click on the Class 390, or if you don't have the SP for the 800 or the Class 92 or the 318, and if you have the Pendolino, go to the sound mod, go to the sound mod, and it should show under as Class 390 sound mod. Please note that that thing mod is that ECG, Class 390, or the Major Wales Design Class 390 revamp. So basically, here's two now. So if you're wanting to download just the normal one, I'd say click on this one right here, click I've already got installed. Right, so the features, or the credit, should be under as one of my mates, because many thanks to Jamie and Jamman257 for the interest in gathering my original sounds with the Major Wales Class 390 revamp pack. So, and it's also a big shout out to one of my mates. So, anyway, I will show you how to work this on Train Simulator, and I'd say if you're saying, to be honest, so if you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Follow me on Twitter, aka known as X, and I will see you very soon with a later update of this tutorial video. So I'll see you later. Bye bye.